13 best foods for kidney health. Looking for foods to keep your kidneys healthy? We have got you covered. Think of your kidneys as filters. They can write up all the things you don't want in your body. These two fist-sized bean-shaped organ filters your blood. In doing so, they remove toxins and excess fluids while keeping your level of potassium, sodium, and more in check. At the same time, they produce hormones that help to regulate everything from your blood, from your blood pressure to your bone strength. Do a lot of job. What you eat can help to protect your kidney health. Best foods for healthy kidneys. These are our top picks for foods to add to your diet. Number 1, fatty fish. Fish delivers protein, and when you choose a fatty fish like tuna, salmon, or trout, you are also getting omega-3 fatty acid. According to NKF, omega-3 fats may help reduce fat level in the blood and may also lower blood pressure. If you have CKD, you may need to keep an eye on the phosphorus and potassium level of fish you choose. The NK Foundation has a chart you can use to determine levels in specific type of fish. Although it's best to consult with doctor. Number 2, cabbage. This nutrient-dense vegetable is low in both potassium and sodium while packing in fiber, vitamin C, and potassium and more. Plus, cabbage is versatile. You can use it in salad and salads, but you can also use it as a wrap or tacos. Number 3, bell peppers. Like cabbage, bell peppers pack in a lot of food nutrients with low level of potassium. With them vitamin B6, B9, C and potassium plus fiber. And they deliver antioxidant too. You can slice them and eat them with dips or roast. Number 4, cranberries. Cranberries help to prevent urinary tract infections. While these usually stay in your bladder, they can travel up to your kidneys, making kidney problems worse. Fortunately, regularly consuming cranberries can help you avoid these unwelcome situations. Plus, cranberries have antioxidants. They can help to fight inflammation and they can boost your heart and digestive health. It turns out these tart berries we have talked about some of the best foods for kidneys, but you can take it a step further. The question is, what food help repair kidneys? Blueberries deliver here. With high level of antioxidants and loads of vitamin C and fiber, blueberries are all around healthy. They can also help to reduce inflammation and support bones health, reversing some of the issues that can come with chronic kidney disease. Dark leafy greens. Still wondering what food help repair kidneys? You can turn to dark leaf greens like spinach and kale. They deliver so many nutrients that they can help you get key vitamins and minerals plus immunity boosting Be advised though that greens can come with a decent amount of potassium. If you have chronic kidney disease, talk to your doctor before adding more of these to your diet. Olive oil, rich in antioxidant and healthy fatty acids, olive oil can boost your overall wellness. A study found that olive oil may lower cholesterol level and the risk of cardiovascular disease, dementia, and some types of cancer. Beyond all this, it can help you add flavor to dishes without turning to salad, or better, to get more antioxidants, choose unrefined or cold pressed olive oil, that virgin or extra virgin. Another antioxidant rich inflammation fighting food, garlic also contains a specific compound called alkene. For people with CKD, alkene, an active compound found in garlic, work just as effective to help protect kidney health as a prescription drug. If you are looking for the best foods for kidney, garlic has to make the list. Plus, it's an excellent way to add flavor when you are skimping on salt. Onions. Onions from the same family as garlic give you another excellent and salt-free way to add flavor. Bonus points if you shoot them in olive oil. Onions also deliver important nutrients like vitamin B6, C, magnesium. They also contain curtains. A chemical can help your body fight cancer and organ sulfurous compound. Cauliflower. Cauliflower brings the crunch paired with plenty of vitamin C, B6, B9, calcium. It also contains compounds your body can use to neutralize certain toxins, a big help when your kidneys are not doing their best filtration work. Cauliflower does contain some potassium and phosphorus, though, so while it makes the list of the food good for kidneys, people with CKD may want their intake. Whites eggs. Whites are specially recommended for people with kidney problems. They give you a way to increase your protein levels, which can be especially important with later stage CKD and especially if you are on dialysis. Arugula. Arugula is packed with nutrients your body needs like magnesium, iron, calcium, and vitamin A, B6, C, and K+. It's antioxidant rich and has glucosamine, which can help your body protect itself against a range of cancer types. You can eat arugula, but you can also sprinkle it over whatever you are wiping up. It's great on pizzas, in omelets, and in potatoes. Apples. Apples deliver cancer-fighting protein and fiber that can help to keep your cholesterol and blood sugar at healthy level. And they've got plenty of antioxidants. Better yet, they are easy to work into your diet. Leave a bowl of apples on your counter and you will have a kidney healthy. Grab and go snack.